This is Bukya Krishna, roll number 20951A2130, branch Aeronautical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. So today I want to discuss about maximum power transfer for DC excitation circuits. The amount of power received by a load is an important parameter in electrical and electronic applications. In DC circuits, we can represent the load with a resistor having resistance of RL ohms. Similarly, in AC circuits, we can represent it with a complex load having an impedance of ZL ohms. Maximum power transfer theorem states that the DC voltage source will deliver maximum power to the variable load resistor only when the load resistance is equal to the source resistance. Similarly, maximum power transfer theorem states that the AC voltage source will deliver maximum power to the variable complex load only when the load impedance is equal to the complex conjugate of source impedance. In this chapter, let us discuss about the maximum power transfer theorem for DC circuits. Proof of maximum power transfer theorem. Replace any two-terminal linear network or circuit to the left side of variable load resistor having resistance of RL ohms with a Thevenin's equivalent circuit. We know that Thevenin's equivalent circuit resembles a practical voltage source. This concept is illustrated in the following figures. Maximum power transfer. So we can see the figures. It has two-terminal linear circuit with voltage with and resistor with earth. The amount of power dissipated across the load resistor is PL equal to I square RL. Substitute I equal to Vth by Rth plus RL in the above equation. We get PL equal to Vth by R plus RL whole square into RL. Then we get PL equal to Vth square into RL by Rth plus RL whole square. Condition for maximum power transfer. For maximum or minimum, first derivative will be 0. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to RL and make it equal to 0. By making it is equal to 0, we will get Rth equal to RL or RL equal to Rth. Therefore, the condition for maximum power dissipation across the load is RL equal to Rth. That means if the value of load resistance is equal to the value of source resistance, that is Thevenin's resistance, then the power dissipated across the load will be of maximum value. The value of maximum power transfer. Substitute RL equal to Rth and PL equal to PL max in equation 1. Then we get PL max equal to Vth square into Rth by Rth plus Rth whole square because RL equal to Rth. PL maximum equal to Vth square into Rth by 4 Rth square. PL max equal to Vth square by 4 Rth. PL max equal to Vth square by 4 RL since RL equal to Rth. Therefore, the maximum amount of power transferred to the load is PL maximum equal to Vth square by 4 RL equal to Vth square by 4 Rth because RL equal to Rth. Efficiency of maximum power transfer. We can calculate the efficiency of maximum power transfer N maximum using following formula. N maximum equal to PL max by PS, where PL max is the maximum amount of power transferred to the load. PS is the amount of power generated by the source. The amount of power generated by the source is PS equal to I square Rth plus I square RL. PS equal to 2I square Rth since RL equal to Rth. Substitute I equal to Vth by 2 Rth in the above equation. PS equal to 2 into Vth by 2 Rth whole square into Rth. PS equal to 2 into Vth square by 4 Rth square into Rth is equal to PS equal to Vth square by 2 Rth. Substitute the values of PL maximum and PS in equation 2. N maximum equal to Vth square by 4 Rth by Vth square by 2 Rth. Then N maximum equal to 1 by 2. We can represent the efficiency of maximum power transfer in terms of percentage as follows. Percentage N maximum equal to N maximum into 100 percentage. Percentage N maximum equal to half into 100 percentage. Percentage N maximum equal to 50 percentage. Therefore, the efficiency of maximum power transfer of DC circuit is 50%. Thank you.